Here I have LeTV Li1S, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Keep holding the power key. Let's slide to power off the device, and let's use the following combination of keys. Power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys. Release both keys as soon as Li Echo recovery pops up. And here you can use those two options. You can update system or clear data. Let me unclick the update system and choose clear data. So the following information should pop up. Let me tap back. Of course, clearing data will erase all system settings, apps, and all personal data, but that's what we need. Let's choose start. And the device is clearing data, so let's wait until the operation will be completed. Alright, so everything went well, and now you can choose restart. Alright, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.